Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to order Google Takeout, and this is basically how to export your Google data from your Google account, and this is necessary when you run out of storage space. So I'm going to show you how this is done. So go to the browser, type in Google Takeout. Okay, so once you click on Google Takeout, you will have the following screen. Now, what I want to basically do is deselect everything first, because there is only the photos that I really want to take out. But you can see all these services are what you can export from your Google account. So I want to remove Google Drive. Google Photos. Once you've picked everything that you want, click on Next Step. Then what you can do is select the destination. So we'll just say send download via email. Export once. So we'll do that. How big do you want the files? You can make it big or small, and then it will come in separate downloadable links. So I'll just leave it at 2. This could be handy depending on your internet speed and how long it will take to download the exported files. So let's do this. Let's go create an export. So you can see that this is our export. We've got 2 datas, which is basically Google Drive and Google Photos. We've chosen that as well, the file type, frequency, and destination. And then now it's telling us the progress, which is Google is creating a copy of data from 2 products. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days. Now, in regards to this, I've seen it come back same day, but it depends. I've only done these 2 services from Google, so it's pretty much the same day. But if you choose more products and services, it will take longer. But once this is done, we can go and check, but I don't think it will be in the email. So you can see that archive of Google data requested. When you get your exported Google Takeout, when you go back in here, you will see that your export is complete, and you can go in and say you want to download these exports. And you can see that it's completed. So what I'm going to do before that, you've got it in parts. As I said, it's 2 gig. So we're going to do the first one. And then I'm just going to put it in this folder. You can see that the download has started there. You can see that the first one's done. Now I'll do the second part. Basically, you've got to do this for all the parts, and I've got 9 parts. So once you do the 9 parts, they'll all come in as compressed zip files, and you will need to uncompress them, and then put them in a location that you want to save them, and then you can go and delete the data from the actual Google area. My place would probably be Google Drive and Google Photos, because that's where we exported these things from. So once I've got everything, all the parts, onto my computer locally, I will then delete them from the Google Pictures Cloud section. So that will then recover the clouded storage for this account. And that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Bye for now.